make potato omelette. Since we are making a potato dish, I wanted to ask you a question. Where did the potatoes originally come from? At the end of the video, I will tell you where potatoes come from. But for now, let's start cooking! 1 medium-sized onion chopped. 2 green chilies chopped. 2 medium-sized potatoes chopped. 3 eggs. 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Half cup coriander chopped. 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. Peel the potatoes and slice into small pieces. Wash the chopped potato slices. Washed. We will now start the process of cooking. Heat medium. Add chopped onions and green chili. Add chopped potatoes. Add salt. Saute for 5 minutes. And put the lid on it. Potatoes are fried, so we will put it into the bowl. And also off the stove. The potatoes are fried. Add red chili powder. Add chopped cilantro. Add the fried potatoes. Time to serve the omelette. The omelette is now ready. I will now be frying the bread with melted butter. And I am also using 2 pieces of burger bread. I will now try the omelette sandwich. It is really good. And now that I'm done cooking, I will give you the answer to my question from the beginning of the video. Potatoes are originally from Peru. Incans have originally started planting potatoes on the slopes of mountains from at least 7,000 to 10,000 years ago. So the next time you bite into a french fry or a hash brown, thank the Incans.
Thank you guys.